Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and let me show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to left corner button. When we pick it, we can open camera settings. Now let's focus on intelligent features category. At the third place here we have scan QR codes option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And of course I suggest you to keep it turned on, because this is the easiest way to scan QR codes at this device. Now you can do it by just putting them inside your camera and you don't need any other app to do it. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.